Our main goal is to provide an understandable and very clear service platform for BRICS and BRICS Plus countries, how to enter Chinese market. Our most outstanding project is, I'd like to mention our Eurasian data center. Its main direction is to provide a platform for Eurasian countries' neural networks, IT platforms, to establish themselves within the Chinese legislation as well as IT system. And this way we can provide a more manageable solution for BRICS countries. For now, we have to find new ways of cooperating and new ways for economic growth, not only focused on cooperation with the West, but cooperation with the global South and in the world, with the world in general. We can define new financial and economic ways to interact with each other. The global shared future for humankind, that's what we're aiming for, and that's what BRICS is for as well.